Nutrition expert reviews Jennie Kim from Blackpink's diet. Is it healthy? Should you do it too? Let's find out. So I found all of this information from interviews she did online, and I'm going to analyze it using the phytochemical index so that this video is not opinion based, like not do I think it's good or not, but like what does the science say, is this healthy or not? So the phytochemical index means what percentage of her daily calories are coming from nutrient dense foods. How healthy is her diet? Okay, so for breakfast she usually has one fruit, some whole grain toast, and that's pretty much it. Both are very healthy options. Fruit is obviously very healthy, don't need to explain that. Whole grain toast, also very healthy, it's whole grain. The only thing I'm concerned about is that it's a very small portion size. 250 calories for a breakfast is not a lot. Okay, her lunch is a little bit bigger than her breakfast. She has a salad with avocado. Obviously, I don't know what exactly is in her salad because she didn't really specify, but usually a lot of the calories from a salad come from the dressing and probably from meat or cheese. So I just took a regular salad from a calorie counter, and that's usually around 600 calories total. And around 30% of the calories are probably healthy. The rest is probably from meat or cheese and dressing. That's usually the bulk of where the calories from salads come from, which is not very healthy. So 600 calories total, 198 calories are from nutrient-dense foods, being the avocado and the greens and the veggies in the salad. Dinner, she has porridge and a detox juice. Porridge is usually, a standard serving size would be 350 calories and detox juice would be 250 calories, standard serving size again. Detox juice sounds very healthy, but is actually not exactly very healthy because juice is not very healthy. If it were a detox smoothie, that would actually be different, but because a juice removes all of the fiber and so much of the nutrients are tied to the fiber, juice is actually not healthy. Even if it's called a detox juice, it's actually not good for you. It's a very high glycemic index, blood sugar spikes, but you also just lose a lot of the nutrients. Porridge, fantastic. Oats are super healthy, obviously. Detox juice, not so much. She had, that is 1,450 calories in the entire day. Now, obviously, I would like to say national guidelines, that is starvation. That is never ever recommended unless you are very petite, but she's not very short. I mean, she's very thin, but this seems to me as to be too calorie restrictive, which is pretty much in line with what we know about K-pop diets. I would not recommend the restrictiveness of her diet. I just wanted to add that. Now, let's see how healthy is what she is eating. I calculated that 70% of her total calories are coming from nutrient-dense foods. So on a phytochemical index scale, that would be 70 out of 100. And the standard American diet is 12 out of 100. So obviously, with how nutrient-dense her food is, she's doing much, much better than the vast majority of the American population. But just obviously, this is an approximation of how many calories she's eating. I don't know exactly. I think this is quite possibly very reliable because this is exactly what she said she eats in a day, especially because she is so active. She has said in interviews that she dances sometimes for like 10 hours a day, something crazy. She's incredibly active, so this is starvation. This is not enough calories for her or anybody. Yeah, this is just, most of it is very healthy. 70% of it is the majority, so that's great. I think the most important thing about her diet is that she's eating way too little. I think that's really important that I say that.